In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Outlook Calendar to Zoom. By the end, you'll have the Zoom for Outlook add-in installed, so you can add Zoom meeting details right from Outlook and keep your calendar in sync. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Microsoft Outlook. Open the official Outlook site, and if you're not already there, switch to Outlook on the web. Sign in with your Microsoft account to access your mailbox and calendar. It's important to log in with the account where you manage your calendar, whether that's your personal, work, or school account, because the add-in attaches to that mailbox. Once you're in Outlook, open a new message by selecting New Mail. We're using the Compose window because it gives you quick access to the Add-ins menu, which controls integrations like Zoom. At the top of the Compose window, choose the Insert tab. This tab contains tools for bringing in apps and integrations. Select Apps. In some layouts, this appears alongside other insert options. It's the doorway to the add-ins area. Next, pick Get Add-ins. This opens the Office add-in store in a panel where you can find trusted apps that work inside Outlook. In the search box, type Zoom and press Enter. You'll see several results. Look for Zoom for Outlook, the official add-in that lets you insert Zoom meeting details into emails and calendar invites. Click Zoom for Outlook to open its details page, then choose Add. Outlook will install the add-in to your account. You might see a brief confirmation message, and the Zoom icon will become available within Outlook. From now on, when you're composing an email or creating a calendar event, you should see Zoom as an option to insert meeting information. The first time you use it, you may be prompted to sign in to your Zoom account to authorize the connection. If you don't see the apps or get add-ins option, make sure you're using the latest Outlook web experience and that add-ins aren't restricted by your organization's admin. A quick refresh of the page can also help the Zoom button appear after installation. That's it. You searched for Outlook, signed in, opened a new mail, went to Insert, chose Apps, clicked Get Add-ins, searched for Zoom, selected Zoom for Outlook, and added it. With the add-in installed, you can streamline scheduling and ensure your Outlook calendar includes accurate Zoom meeting details.